Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best lighted makeup mirrors 2025? Here are my full reviews of the best lighted makeup mirrors 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Illuminate your beauty routine with the fancy wall mount LED vanity makeup mirror. Elevate your daily skincare and makeup routine with the fancy wall mount LED lighted vanity mirror. Designed for convenience and style, this rechargeable, cordless mirror combines functionality with elegance. Its 3 dimmable light settings simulate natural daylight, soft white, and warm amber tones, ensuring flawless makeup application for any occasion. This dual magnification mirror offers 1x magnification for a full face view and 10x magnification for precision tasks like eyebrow shaping or eyeliner application. The adjustable swivel design and extendable arm provide flexibility, making it ideal for tight spaces. With its rechargeable battery, this mirror eliminates messy cords, providing up to 10 hours of uninterrupted use on a single charge. The sleek, modern design seamlessly blends into any bathroom or bedroom decor. Crafted with high-quality materials, the fancy wall mount mirror is built to last, offering practicality and sophistication. Perfect for beauty enthusiasts who demand both performance and style, this mirror is your ultimate grooming companion. Experience the difference today. Number 2. FunTouch Large Lighted Vanity Makeup Mirror. Elegance meets functionality. Transform your beauty routine with the FunTouch Large Lighted Vanity Makeup Mirror. This extra-large mirror features 35 bright LED lights, offering flawless illumination for makeup application, skincare, or grooming, even in dim environments. Its touchscreen dimmable function allows you to adjust the brightness effortlessly, ensuring the perfect lighting for any setting. Designed for precision, it includes a 10x magnification mirror, ideal for detailed tasks like eyeliner application or tweezing. The 360 degrees rotation capability provides flexibility, allowing you to find the perfect angle for your needs. Dual power options, USB or batteries, make it travel-friendly and convenient for on-the-go use. Crafted with a sleek, modern design, this mirror enhances the aesthetic of any vanity space. Whether you are a makeup enthusiast or someone who values practical elegance, the FunTouch Vanity Mirror is the ultimate tool for perfection. Upgrade your beauty setup today with this versatile, professional-grade mirror designed to make you look and feel your best. Number 3. The FunTouch Rechargeable Makeup Vanity Mirror with lights is your ultimate beauty companion, designed to transform your makeup routine. Featuring 96 ultra-bright LED lights, this large lighted desk mirror provides exceptional illumination for flawless application, whether it's day or night. The mirror offers 3 adjustable color lighting modes, warm, natural, and cool light, allowing you to customize the ambience to match your setting or personal preference. Equipped with a 10x magnifying mirror, it ensures precision for intricate tasks like eyebrow shaping or eyeliner application. The rechargeable design eliminates the hassle of cords, keeping your space neat and organized, while its sleek, modern build complements any vanity. With easy-to-use touch controls, you can effortlessly adjust brightness and switch between lighting modes. Perfect for beauty enthusiasts and professionals alike. The FunTouch mirror delivers clarity and convenience in one stylish package. Elevate your self-care routine with this versatile mirror that brings studio-quality lighting to your home. Discover makeup perfection like never before. Number 4. Elevate your beauty routine with the Ovente 9 inches lighted wall mount makeup mirror. Designed for convenience and precision, this double-sided mirror features 1x and 7x magnification, perfect for flawless makeup application, grooming, or skincare. The bright LED glow light illuminates your face with natural lighting, ensuring every detail is crystal clear. Its sleek 360 degrees swivel design allows effortless adjustments to suit your angle and needs. The wall mount setup saves space while providing the stability you need during use, making it an excellent addition to any bathroom or vanity area. Crafted for durability and style, this mirror adds a modern touch to your decor. Whether you are perfecting your eyeliner or tweezing with precision, the OVENTE wall-mounted mirror ensures perfection every time. Upgrade your daily routine with this professional-grade tool designed for beauty enthusiasts and professionals alike. Style meets functionality, make every detail shine. Number 5. The DEXHOM Vanity Mirror with Makeup Lights is the ultimate beauty accessory for your daily grooming routine. Measuring 32 inches x 24, this large tabletop mirror is designed to offer a clear, distortion-free reflection, perfect for makeup application, hairstyling, or skincare routines. Equipped with 18 LED bulbs, the mirror provides adjustable lighting, allowing you to customize brightness levels to suit any environment, whether it's bright daylight or a softer, more relaxed setting. The built-in USB and Type-C charging ports ensure you can easily power your devices while you get ready, making it both a practical and stylish addition to your vanity or dressing area. The Hollywood-inspired design offers a sleek and modern look, adding an elegant touch to any room. Whether you are preparing for a night out or just touching up your look, this mirror ensures you do it with precision and ease. Upgrade your beauty space with the DEXHOM Vanity Mirror and experience professional-level lighting and convenience every day.